I'm announcing a pardon for all prior federal offenses for the simple possession of marijuana.
President Biden pardoning thousands of people nationwide convicted federally, as you heard, with simple marijuana possession charges.
From housing to employment, mental health care, and overall reintegration into society, they face a lot of obstacles.
In-depth reporter Michelle Casada tackles the stigma attached to those being released from prison and how pardons like this one may have an impact.
This week, the Palm Beach County Reentry Summit is taking place in West Palm Beach. Locally, 1,200 adults are released from prison every year. This summit aims to show why the odds are stacked against them and how to change that.
At age 17, Amlak I. Foley was facing nearly 2 decades behind bars.
Because at that moment, yourself is hopeless, surrounded by hopeless environments.
It was his mother's voice in his head, he says, that gave him strength to look forward to what was on the other side of his 19-year sentence. Still, nothing prepared him for his release.
I had a loving family, but they had never been incarcerated.
In Florida, a study released by the Department of Corrections shows 25% of men released from prison will be reincarcerated over 3 years. Co-chair of the Palm Beach County Reentry Summit, Cassandra Atkin-Plunk, is also an associate professor at Florida Atlantic University. Her area of research is reentry and reintegration of individuals.
And we continue to create the stigma every time we ask somebody to indicate on a job application or on a housing application or on a application to get into college that they have previously been incarcerated.
This week, President Biden pardoned thousands with federal simple marijuana possession convictions and urged states to follow.
And I can tell you that even with 2 full pardons, I still cannot pass a background check.
Stephanie Taylor Thompson was pardoned in Idaho and Montana for drug-related charges in her past. She says more needs to be done to eliminate barriers for those reentering society. According to data from the Palm Beach County Jail Blotter, in the last week, out of 80 drug-related arrests by local agencies, 8 people booked in jail were charged with possession of marijuana less than 20 grams, among other charges. Palm Beach County State Attorney Dave Ehrenberg said this about the president's move, quote, "I support the president's actions concerning prior federal cases of simple marijuana possession. More importantly, for the future, I favor lowering the classification of marijuana from a Schedule I drug, which is the same as heroin and crack cocaine," end quote. Crediting his mom for his success after incarceration, Foley says there needs to be more mentoring opportunities for those exiting the criminal justice system.
I'm going to tell you what my mother told me. Please don't make this place cause you to have a cold heart. It's nothing can be done with a cold heart.
Michelle Casada, WPTV, News Channel 5.
We have received numbers from the Florida Department of Law Enforcement showing misdemeanor marijuana possession charges are declining in Florida, but there were still more than 11,000 people arrested for that charge last year. President Biden urging governors in every state to pardon those for simple marijuana possession. We reached out to Governor Ron DeSantis' office for comment. We're waiting to hear back.